This is a high-precision winding machine. First, look at its winding effect, filmed in one take with no editing. Not a single wire is messy. The enamel copper wires are neatly arranged, straight and tight. Every coil is identical and precise. Many ask where such neatly wound coils are used. They are widely applied in transformers, linear motor coils, and the electromagnet coils, though this is not the ultimate level of winding. This trapezoidal arrangement, which requires both neatness and shape precision, is even more impressive. Nor is this the limit of Xiepu winding machines. Visit our homepage to see our full range. From thick wire as big as a finger down to ultrafine 0.01 mm wire, we have all types start at Xiepu. We believe there is no best, only better. We will keep improving to make your coils more competitive. Since we've met by chance, why not visit the Xiepu winding machine homepage and take a look?